This is a fair use video according to the copyright laws of 1976. All right, let's get it.
And again, he denied it. Even though there's audio and video of him saying the thing that he wants to say, that all black kids are put on psychotropic pharmacological medicine, and they need to be sent to work farms. It shouldn't be lost on anybody that the white supremacist Health and Human Services Secretary, who's also a eugenics fan, wants to send black children to work farms